Welcome back to Explain the Charts, where we break down complex market data and news into easily digestible insights. Today is February 25th, 2025, and we're focusing our analysis on Meta, the parent company of Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. Recent news indicates a mixed sentiment surrounding Meta. While some analysts express bullish sentiment, citing record profitability and a potential stock split, others highlight a 5-day decline following a significant rally. This price correction could be a healthy retracement before further gains. However, the continued negative news and the uncertainty could also lead to further losses. Let's now shift our focus to the daily chart for Meta. Observe the significant price action over the past few months, highlighting major swings from highs to lows and then back up again. Note the recent surge in price leading up to the correction. Identify key support and resistance levels by analyzing previous high and low points. We can see a pattern of price bouncing off these levels in the past, and that will likely continue to happen. Zooming in on the past week, observe that prices decreased by more than 2%. This is significantly higher than the daily decreases that came earlier in the year. However, the volume was low, so the decreases might not be something to worry about. Now let's look at the 1-hour chart to get a finer-grained view of this recent correction. The hourly chart shows the price action in more detail. This allows us to see more short-term trends and reversals, but they're still not that reliable. Let's also look at the 15-minute chart for even more detail. The 15-minute chart provides the most granular view, helping us to see the very short-term trends and volatility. However, the 15-minute chart is not very useful for looking at medium and long-term trends. Combining the insights from all three timeframes, we can begin to formulate a more complete picture of Meta's price action and try to create a prediction. Based on our analysis, here's a recap of important price levels. The support levels sit around 660 to 670, while resistance sits around 700 to 710. A move above 710 could signal a sustained upward trend in the short term. There is a 60% chance that the price will go up in the short term and above 710. This is because there's a lot of bullish news, but there is still a bearish bias in the market. If the bullish news continues to gain traction, it could reinforce this likelihood. However, if negative news continues to increase, the price could continue to fall. In the long term, the price is expected to continue growing. The future direction of Meta will depend on multiple things, including the overall market conditions, the success of the metaverse initiatives, and the company's earnings reports. Keep an eye on these factors to better gauge the probability of price movements.